and we're back with another renovation. We've just redone this kitchen space for one of our clients and also a nice bathroom space as well. We've actually extended this kitchen where previously the cupboards were here, so you didn't have much worktop space, but we've now pushed it all the way back, added the cooker and oven onto this sort of side of things. Under the stairs, we've repurposed all of this. As you can see, there's a little cloakroom here. When we touch this, guys, look at all of the lighting that comes behind. Now, this is another bathroom that we've done. This is why we love to show you our transformations. The Japanese toilet. Now, I've got a remote here. You can see it's all electronic. We're Torba and we're back with another renovation. Check this out, guys. We've just redone this kitchen space for one of our clients and also a nice bathroom space as well. I'm gonna leave that one to the end, so make sure you hang on to the end of this video. We've also done some nice under-stair cupboards, but we're gonna show you that in a second. Here, we've got a nice open plan kitchen. We've actually extended this kitchen where previously the cupboards were here, so you didn't have much worktop space, but we've now pushed it all the way back, added the cooker and oven onto this sort of side of things, so we got all of this worktop space. We've also had cupboards here previously, and what does that do? It actually blocks your lighting coming in, so we've taken that away. Still used a repurposed space here, but you've got so much light coming into this room right now. We've got some herringbone engineered flooring right here, which means that it's actually a lot more lighter in this room, because this is what you need when you have open plan spaces. We've got obviously a fitted cooker here, your extractor fan taking out all of the impurified sort of air all the way out, and we've got all of this nice seamless finish going all across. This is a quartz top that we've used up here that the client wanted, and we use very light sort of colors, so it makes sure you've got that sort of bright feel around here. Not only that, guys, attention to detail, we've got a strip of light going underneath here, which the client didn't have previously, so that adds so much more light and air in this sort of space around here. When you follow me around here, guys, under the stairs, we've repurposed all of this where any hoovers or any sort of coats could be behind here. And over here, we've created some bespoke cupboards as well. Look at that, guys, and you push it. Nice soft closing, so you're not having to replace any hinges later on. Another thing I will add is this kitchen didn't come as standard. Yes, we got the carcasses from Howden's, but all of the faces are made bespokely just for this project alone. Now, if you follow me here, we'll come into the bathroom space. And as you can see, there's a little cloakroom here. We've got a nice hand basin here with a brass finish, and this brass finish goes across right down to the beading and all around the light as well. We've got some lovely drawers here where we can use it to put all of your bathroom toilet rolls or any sort of hand washes that you want to keep separately there. Got a lovely small toilet here, guys, with a matching brass toilet top. And here, we've actually tucked away the boiler. So nobody wants to see that boiler hanging around looking unneat. So we've put it into a nice cupboard so you don't even know that it even exists. Put a nice little shelving up here, matching brass sort of hinges that matches all of the beading here with a brass tower rail right here. When we touch this, guys, look at all of the lighting that comes behind. Imagine somebody comes to your house and comes to use your basin, and just little features like this where you just tap it right here and the lighting comes off, it just sets it alive. Everyone's going to be asking you, who did that for you? And that's Torba Building Services. So hit us up for your next project, and maybe we'll be showcasing your project next. Back with Torba, and we're showing you another renovation. Now, this is another bathroom that we've done. Again, you can see all of the taps, the little trims that we've used, even on top of the toilet. I've never seen this one before, but we've been able to get all of the right materials so everything matches here. We've got a lovely round sort of mirror here with a lovely light on top that's quite symmetrical. So everything's been designed beforehand before we even fix anything on. We've put a quality quality door here, and behind you can see a towel radiator which is color coordinated with all of the trims around. If you follow me around here, we've concealed the bath panel by putting tiles on here so it goes seamlessly with the flooring. We've got the toilet fitted, floating sink right here so you can put things right underneath this area rather it being dead space, should we say. And also around here we've got a lovely bathtub with all of the shower and water going to be coming out from this department here. We've recessed the wall right here so you can keep all of your shampoos and all of your conditioners and anything that you use in the bathroom, including a few shelves. And these shelves have, you know, open spaces, so just in case they're wet, all of the water can drip down without it just floating around on this space. Let us know what you think of our bathroom renovation, because we're doing these on a daily basis all around London, and let us know if you want us to have a look at your space. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back with Toolbar Building Services, and we like to show you our transformations. There's a lot of builders out there who promise you the world and then you just get stuck. They don't finish your job and they just leave it in a state, or you don't get the finish that you require. This is why we love to show you our transformations. So if you follow me, here's another bathroom transformation. And you know what? This one's actually in the loft room. So it's not your typical ground floor or first floor. We've got a lovely shower here on this side, and this isn't even your normal shower tray. You know, you get that normal resin made one. This is actually a special stone effect with a raised floor here. Got a lovely fixed glass screen here, and we've recessed this part of the wall purely so you can see it's usable for your razors, all of your normal shower sort of shampoos and lotions. Here we've finished it absolutely beautifully with a nice effect. Rather than a plastic or one of them other shelves that you get, we've made them all out of tiles and fit the beading perfectly so it seems seamless. And these little bit of details, if you come around, you can also see it on every single edge, and that theme carries on to all of the taps, all of the door handles, and even the towel sort of, you know, where you hang your towel. This is all because there's a theme going on in this property, this house. You can see the gold copper style of the shower, and yeah, let us know what you think of our interior designing, because we've actually helped this client choose some of the colors here. Another great feature in this bathroom that I absolutely love is the Japanese toilet. These are becoming more and more common, normally when you go to a high-end restaurant, but you'll see exactly how that sort of works. Now, I've got a remote here. You can see it's all electronic, and we can use all sorts of features on this toilet that actually give you a heated seat effect when it's cold in winter. It works as a bidet, which means it helps you clean yourself, keeping yourself hygienically clean. But we're used to fitting all of these. Not only that, if you come around here, as I was talking about the stone effect, not only do we just have a shower fitted here, we actually put the remotes. Like, how do you turn this on? It's actually over here, guys. And the reason why we've done that is because, have you ever gone into the shower and it's freezing cold and you're like, or it's too hot and you're burning yourself? Well, we've taken that on board so that we've put the controls right here so you can get that shower to be the correct temperature, exactly what you need before you step in. So no more cold showers or boiling hot, getting burnt. So these are some of the things and the details that you won't actually see, but we actually planned this out for you. As we come into the sort of bedroom, we've even put some engineered flooring down. Now, for those of you who don't know what engineered flooring is, it's not your typical laminated floor and it's not your real wood flooring. It's a mixture of both. So it still gives you that feel of expensive look and that quality, but it is engineered. So look it up when you're doing your next project. So rate our bathroom, let us know what you thought of it and if we should come out to do yours soon.